Hi Creatives, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have the Jack of All Trades collection from Spellbinders. I'm going to show you real quick what I got and then I will create for you. When I'm creating, I'll just go ahead and speed it up and play a little bit of music, but definitely let me know if you have any questions, comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts about this collection and how I did. But just to show you the collection before we get started, this is my favorite. This is the Deluxe Deck press plates. So you can see I've already used it. So all of the black is what presses. This also works great for foiling. So just to show you an example, this is one of the items that I made with it. It presses perfectly, as you can tell, and then I used alcohol ink for these pieces and colored it. So next up is the Enchanting Suit facets. These are also better press plates. So these are gorgeous. The only downfall, only thing I'm not complaining, but only comment I would make is that there's no coordinating dies. So you either want to fussy cut it or put it on something that you cut out larger. But it is gorgeous, so intricate, and looks amazing with this collection. Next I have the Shuffling Sentiments. These are a set of words on the better press, so you can either press it or hot foil it. Like I said, it hot foils wonderfully. There is a die. There is a die set, so you can make either a banner or a flag or a banner flag thingy with any of these words, or you can just cut them out, or you can just put them directly on whatever. So a lot of cool sentiments in there. Next, this is gorgeous. This is the Kaleidoscope Noble Suite. Suit. So it's got 3 layers, so we go from the biggest to the smallest, and I only have one example, but I made another one. I just don't know where it is. Oh, I actually do know where it is. It's right here. So this is finished, so you'll see me creating this as well, but it does this and it is gorgeous. Here's another example. I think that I don't know. They're all my favorite. I loved them all. I like them all. So that's the Kaleidoscope Noble Suit. I don't know why I keep saying sweet. Suit, because it's cards. It's a suit. Next up is the Reversible Royal Court. Now this is really cool because it's a mix and match characters. So cards have king, queen, and jack. So you can make mix and match and make them however you want. This is the king I made that you'll see in this video, and this is the queen. So there's a lot of options to play around. There's things you can put in their hand, different hairs you can use. I mean, you can mix and match it. You can put a beard on the queen however you want. You can use these to make it your own, you know. I really like how this is set up. You've got the female and male type clothing, but mix and match. Next one I'm going to give my queen the shield. So, and then there's different hairstyles that I think these work for whoever, but that's the Reversible Royal Court. Last is the Pip and Rank. This is just the cutest. You've got all of the numbers, as well as the king, queen, jack, and then the suits. So I haven't done anything with this one yet. I will in this video, but I was thinking about, I lost it. I was thinking about little cards. I started cutting out and I just corner rounded just a small card. I'm going to stick it in here and I'm going to make it look like it's the front, the number side of the card. So this looks like more like the back of the card. This is going to be more of the front. So something like that. And that's the pip and rank. So let me let me know if you have any comments, questions, anything like that, and sit back, relax, and enjoy while I create with this collection. Thanks for watching.